Can I make cover songs in YouTube? Yes. Can I make money out of it? Yes. Will I get copyright claim for this? Yes. Will my channel get terminated? Check out the complete video. You will get every answers about cover songs. Hey, my name is Vinod and you're watching VTechTube. If you find this content is engaging and informative, please subscribe to the channel and set the bell notification to all. Let's get into the video. Here we're going to discuss about different licenses for the cover songs and what is revenue sharing and much more. So stay tuned till the end. First of all, why do people make cover songs? Let me know in the comments below. As per my understanding, most of the people do cover songs to showcase their talents because YouTube is a massive platform and the reach will be exponential. Another set of people admire a music or a musician and they make a cover song as a tribute to show their love towards the musicians or the music. And some people ask their kids to perform their favorite music and upload it to YouTube. Whatever you do, irrespective of your cause, YouTube Content ID give you a copyright claim. It doesn't see the purpose and it only give you the effect of it, that is copyright claim. Even if your description says I'm not the original creator of this song and all the credit goes to the original creator, it doesn't matter until unless you use a Creative Commons. Next, why do you get a copyright claim for cover musics or the cover songs? Music and lyrics are intellectual property and both are covered by copyright law. If you don't get proper license from the original copyright owner or the creator, your YouTube cover song could be removed and your entire channel would be at risk. If the content owner duly filed a written complaint to YouTube, YouTube may remove your video. And if you repeat the same blunder on your YouTube channel, and you will get permanently terminated from YouTube. In some rare cases, you might even get sued for copyright infringement. To avoid these copyright issues, you can obtain license that allow you to do the cover songs and publish it on YouTube. Let's see what are those licenses. There are two types of license which is associated with musics. First one is mechanical license, next one is the sync license. Let's discuss one by one in detail. What is a mechanical license and why should you get it? It's an agreement, it's simple, it's an agreement between you and the copyright owner. They grant you permission to release the song in audio only format, that is, such as you can have an interactive audio streams on a digital downloads or a CD version. Why do you need it? Whenever you release a copyright audio only format, or even if you use a small portion of the song, you need a mechanical license. Mechanical licenses are mostly commonly used for cover songs, new recording of you performing a copyrighted music or a copyrighted song. Next, we will see the synchronization license or a sync license. It's an agreement. It's again an agreement between you and the copyright owner that permits you to release the song in a video format, such as YouTube, DVD, Blu-ray disc, and other digital video platforms. Why you need this license? As you release a copyrighted song or even a small portion of in a video format, you need a sync license. Sync licenses are most commonly used for YouTube videos, cover song videos, wedding videos, and commercial or the corporate videos. There are some exceptions where sync license is not required when the song is in the public domain and you wrote lyrics for this. But you need an extensive research and records that they are available free in the public domain. Let me summarize it, and to be precise, mechanical license is for audio only format and sync license is for video format such as YouTube and other video platforms. You may ask what about the lyrical video? As I said earlier, lyrics also an intellectual property. If you display lyrics or music notes in your video, you will also need print license to pay the composer for the right to display in the song. You can approach song licensing company to acquire these types of license such as mechanical license, sync license or the print license. And you need to know it differs between the country to country. You may ask a question. There are millions of cover songs in YouTube. Did they bought these license and uploaded it? Every story is different. You don't know what other goals are and what they went through. But there are instances most channels get terminated due to this YouTube copyrighted strike and threaten to sue them. If you think the above process is tedious and you cannot take those licenses and you're willing to take a risk, if YouTube Content ID correctly identifies the cover song and if the copyright owner has allowed cover song to be uploaded to YouTube with revenue share, then YouTube will have an option to monetize the cover song with revenue share basis. Let's see the procedure for it. First and foremost, if you need to monetize the cover song, you need to be in YouTube partner program. That means you need to meet the requirement of 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in 365 days on your channel, and your channel should be approved by the YouTube for their YouTube partner program. You will know you can share revenue from your cover song video when the video page in YouTube Studio shows that your video has the following copyright claim in the restriction video columns and monetization status is set to off. However, the text that says the video is eligible to share the ad revenue, you will also able to see that this information in the copyright info page, and claim notification will send to your email address. When the copyright claim is made, note that both new uploads and prior uploads may be eligible. The hover text says that video is eligible to share the ad revenue may not be appear for certain claimed cover videos, because it is up to the copyright owner to decide if the composition will allow cover revenue sharing to other circumstances. When videos are not eligible for this revenue share opportunity, include videos that are commercials, contains a commercial sound recordings in such as instrumental or karaoke recording. Keep a note, the copyright owner still holds the right for the music, and they can take your cover down whenever their negotiation with YouTube change. So there is always risk associated with this cover song. I'll leave the official YouTube link on monetizing eligible cover songs in the description. You can check this out. Let's sum it up. Why do you think you get a copyright strike on your cover song? Is it because you are using someone else's content and earning money? Yes, of course you earn money from it, but money is not only the reason. You are using someone else's intellectual property. When they create it, they set a mood, feel, and they feel soul to their work. So some might think if other can use it, they will break down the integrity of their work. I don't criticize on people doing cover song, but keep in mind you are using someone else's content for your own purpose. Let it be anything. You must complement the original. So on this note, I wrap up this video. I hope you understand the different types of license using in cover songs and revenue sharing for cover songs. Please drop a like to this video and share with your friends who makes cover songs, so this might be helpful for them. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in another informative video. Till then, stay safe.